In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom field in the checkout process fast and easy. First, let's navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center where all your website management happens. From here, look for the WooCommerce option on the dashboard's left-hand side. WooCommerce, of course, is the go-to e-commerce plugin that transforms your WordPress site into a powerful online store. Click on WooCommerce to move forward. Now, what you need to do next is locate the checkout form option. If you don't see this option present, it means you'll first need to install the checkout form plugin. This is a crucial step because the checkout form is where all the magic happens. Once installed, click on the checkout form to open it. Inside the checkout form section, you will notice a button that says Plus Add Field. Click on that. This function allows you to add new fields to your checkout form, giving you the flexibility to customize the checkout process exactly how you want it. Once you've clicked to add a new field, set the field type. The field type determines what kind of data your field will collect, such as text, number, email, or date. It's important to choose the one that fits best with the information you want to gather from your customers. With the field type selected, it's time to set the field's name. The name should be descriptive enough to ensure that you, as an administrator, can easily identify it later when managing your orders or analyzing data. Next, you'll want to set a label for your custom field. The label is what your customers are going to see during checkout, so make it clear and concise. It should effectively communicate what information you're asking them to provide. After setting a label, you'll have the option to set a placeholder and a default value for your field. A placeholder is beneficial for giving your customers an example of what kind of input is required, appearing as faded text inside the input box. The default value, on the other hand, pre-populates the field with a specific entry, which can enhance convenience if there's a common response or if you're running a specific promotion. Following that, set a class for your field. This helps if you wish to custom style your field using CSS, giving you greater control over how it looks and behaves on the checkout page. Optionally, setting a validation date can be helpful, ensuring data integrity by requiring that the customer inputs information in a specified format. Finally, with all your customizations in place, click on Save and Close. Your custom field is now ready to be used in the checkout process. This is a great way to make the checkout experience more tailored to your business needs and to collect important data from your customers seamlessly. Congratulations, you've successfully added a custom checkout field.